Hi! So, my morning routine. Trying this probiotic na lasang pulburo. Napakasarap. So, sa totoo lang, maraming nagdududa pa sa negosyo ng online business. Pero ito pinasukan ko ang JC Premier kasi hindi ka na talaga dapat magduda kasi meron siyang system. No? I can do this while doing my job as a dentist, my work as a dentist. I've been doing dentistry for the past 30 years. So right now, dito pumasok ako sa business na to, sa online business, kasi ito may drop shipping, may retailing, may wholesaling. So, meron siyang 8 ways para ka kumita. So, pero syempre, bago ka kumita, kailangan aralin mo rin siya. So, that's why we have Zoom meeting, meron kaming training, it's free ang mga training. So, may mga special training for everything para kasama na rin yung personal growth na ating inaasam. Kasi as we age, hindi naman tayo pwedeng ganito na lang tayo na wala na tayong progress. So, we have to progress in life, no? Hindi lang pwede yung kain, tulog, trabaho. Hindi pwede yun. We have to have this purpose in life na dapat ma-attain natin yun. Kasi yun yung ating ibibigay sa taas. So, yun. So, this dropshipping business is a lifetime business. Walang quota to. No renewal fee. Local and international, worldwide, you can do the business. Kasi nga wala kang uupahan. Wala kang pasusweldohin. It's open 24 hours. Tulog ka na, yung business mo tumatakbo pa rin. Unlimited income. Weekly income. Every Tuesday talaga, meron kang income. Kasi talaga kung makikita mo yung business at talagang ang dami talagang gustong-gusto na magkaroon ng side hustle at mabago yung kanilang buhay. It's not about leaving your job right away. Syempre, while doing your main job, you can do this as a side hustle. So, yun. So, with this business, you can start only for 1788. Pag nagbigay ka as a member ng 1788, meron kang 30,000 worth of products. At ito nga, yun nga, lifetime siya. So, yan. And another thing, yun nga, so, why not? Huwag ka na magduda. Try na. Mas magsisisi ka pa pag hindi mo ginawa. Kasi maraming tao nagplano, nasa isip lang nila, pero yun to take action about it. Pwede mong i-nurture yung mga plano mo sa buhay, pero ang pinaka-importante is to take action, to take step. Okay?